Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to teach you guys how to begin using TinkerCAD. This is our very first video on TinkerCAD, which is 3D modeling software. TinkerCAD is 3D modeling software. All you do is you take basic shapes and you combine them together to make interesting, cool designs. And you can take those designs and do things like print them out on a 3D printer. Actually, there's two 3D printers in the background right there. You can kind of see the 3D print spools. They're very hard to see because they're pretty far back there. But we have two of them in this class, and you can also take these 3D designs and use them for video games. You can use them for like 3D art. You can make like your new avatar for your Gmail or for whatever, YouTube or whatever. You could make 3D animations if you get good enough at this stuff. There's a heck of a lot you can do with this. And so it's a very cool, unique way to make art, and it combines a little bit of technology, a little bit of geometry, a tiny bit of math. And so it really kind of gets your brain working. It's not difficult, though. It really isn't difficult, especially if you pay attention to me and kind of follow with me as I teach you TinkerCAD step by step. I can show you the easiest, kind of most painless, fastest way to get the results that you want to get in TinkerCAD. So make sure you really are following along with me step by step when we're doing these things. Luckily, since this is all done on video, you can just pause the video, go try something in the other tab, in your TinkerCAD tab, and then come back to the video once you've tried it and unpause it and continue like that, right? It actually makes it easier for you to follow along with me than it would be if you were in the classroom here. So that's one advantage to online learning. Anyways, for today, this video is going to be very simple. I'm just going to show you how to sign into TinkerCAD. I'm going to show you how to start a new project in it. And I'm going to show you just the very basics of how to get started working in it. And it'll be up to you guys. Besides that, today, it'll be up to you guys to just explore it, check it out on your own, see what's cool about it, see what you can make in it on this first day. And then starting after this, we'll get into more kind of complex and cool step-by-step lessons. All right? So anyway, signing in, getting into TinkerCAD. Even if you've never touched TinkerCAD before, you've never even seen this site before, you don't hit the Join Now button if you want to get into TinkerCAD. All you do is hit the Sign In button, and then you'll never have to type a username or password or anything like that. You just hit the Sign In with Google button, okay? And that's true for most. It always freaks out when it's loading this part, and I can't tell if it's recording. Anyways, hitting the Google button to sign in is true for most of the apps we'll use, if not all of the apps we'll use this semester. And it's probably true for most of your classes, most of the websites you'll need to go to. They've made it easier than ever to get signed into things. So anyways, when you first log into TinkerCAD, if you've never touched it before, TinkerCAD will probably take you into this Learn area. It'll probably have you starting some kind of like learning module, like some step-by-step instruction thing so that you can learn TinkerCAD on your own. You don't have to worry about doing that because I'm going to teach you guys TinkerCAD. So for today, we just want to get you out of that so you can start playing around with it on your own, okay? So the first thing you want to do to get out of that lesson is click on the TinkerCAD logo in the upper right-hand side. If you're not in a lesson, if you see a menu like this, then that's good, that's fine. This is where you want to be. And if you're brand new to TinkerCAD, you won't have tons of stuff like this. These are all either my designs or old students' designs that I printed for them. And I've got over 16 pages. I've done a ton of stuff in TinkerCAD. And this is just one of my accounts. But anyways, all you need to do to start a new design is click this big old blue Create New Design button. So let's hit that. And this will bring us into the app where we can start to create.